You saw my daughter pretend to disappear. And the only reason you remembered it today is because you came back from the dead.
I know you don't think it can happen here, John. But it did.
You're right, Kevin. That can't happen here. But I need you to explain me this. Evie loved her mother. She loved her brother. And she loved me. So why in God's name would she do this to us?
I don't know.
Okay, well, take a fucking guess.
Maybe she didn't.
What?
Love you. Who knows what goes through people's heads? You know, your daughter.